Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you the exact updated method to connect your Robinhood account to TradingView. This allows you to execute trades directly from your charts. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the TradingView website. Make sure you are logged into your account. From the homepage menu, click on Products and select Supercharts to open your trading interface. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see a button labeled Trade. Go ahead and click on it. A pop-up window titled Trade with Your Broker will immediately appear in the center of your screen. This window displays a grid of all supported brokers. You can scroll through this list or use the search icon at the top right of the pop-up to quickly find Robinhood. Once you see the Robinhood logo, click on it and then click the Connect button. A secure authorization window will appear. Click Connect one last time and you will be prompted to log in to your Robinhood account to finalize the integration. And that is it. Your Robinhood portfolio is now synced, letting you manage your trades directly within TradingView. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.